Welcome back again for yet another episode, Discipline and Legacy. Legacy isn't built later, it is built daily. It's those small things you keep learning and you pass them on to your children's children. Learning how to save money, learning to run a business, equipping yourself with knowledge and wisdom. Discipline isn't restriction, it is direction. It helps us to stay structured and aligned. Money discipline shows up in our daily life, in our expenditure, in budgeting, in how we run our businesses, and also how we run our homes. But the main important thing here is consistency and planning. Legacy is what children observe. How we plan, how we decide, and how we stay steady. What kind of legacy are you building for your next generation? Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.